Welcome back to our health and fitness channel. Today, we dive into a crucial topic: gym exercises that might look simple but carry hidden dangers. This video will uncover the 5 most hazardous exercises you should think twice about and provide you with safer alternatives. If you're aiming for fitness success without the risk of injury, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health insights. Let's unravel these fitness mysteries together. 1. Deadlift, the lower back challenge. The deadlift, a powerhouse for back and hip strength, is often praised for its muscle-building capabilities. Yet it's infamously dubbed the lower back killer due to its intricate technique. Incorrect execution, particularly during the body extension phase, can lead to blood rushing to the head, fainting, or even falling. A forward shift in the bar's weight compromises form, sidelining the crucial gluteal and hamstring muscles while overburdening the smaller back muscles, potentially causing spasms. For beginners and those seeking a back-friendly alternative, I recommend starting with hyperextension exercises. These provide a solid foundation for strength and endurance without the high risk factor associated with improper deadlifts. 2. Behind the neck pull-down, a shoulder snare. This exercise might seem harmless, but it's far from it. The behind the neck pull-down places shoulder joints in a precarious position, edging close to dislocation. Problems mainly arise when heavy weights are introduced, posing a threat to shoulder stability. Instead, opt for the wide grip overhand pull-down. This variation ensures a safer position for your shoulders, while effectively targeting the latissimus dorsi muscles, maximizing safety and muscle engagement. 3. Kettlebell swing, a misunderstood movement. The kettlebell swing, praised for its core strengthening prowess, demands flawless form. Misconceptions lead many to drive the movement with their arms, whereas the power should originate from the lower body's muscle groups. While it's hard to find a direct substitute for the dynamic kettlebell swing, battle ropes offer a valuable alternative. They maintain the workout's intensity while safeguarding against improper form and reducing injury risks. 4. Upright Barbell Row, an outdated shoulder strain. Once a staple, the upright barbell row has fallen out of favor due to its risk to the shoulder girdle. The lifting motion can trigger subacromial syndrome, leading to long-term rotator cuff issues and halting any progress in muscle mass due to shoulder pain. Safer alternatives like lateral raises or dumbbell shoulder presses will target the same muscle groups without the high injury risk. These exercises allow for a natural range of motion, safeguarding your shoulders while still promoting growth. 5. Leg extension, a deceptive knee hazard. While isolating muscles like in leg extensions seems beneficial, the strain placed on the knee's anterior cruciate ligament can be more damaging than advantageous. Isolated heavy loads risk creating muscle imbalances and joint stress. A better path includes incorporating barbell squats, leg presses, or lunges into your routine. These compound movements offer a holistic approach to leg strengthening, distributing the load more evenly and reducing undue stress on the knees. In fitness, as in life, knowledge is power. Understanding the risks associated with certain exercises and choosing safer alternatives can make all the difference in your physical development and well-being. Remember, building strength and muscle should never compromise your safety. Implement these adjustments to your workout regimen and watch your body transform safely and effectively. Thank you for watching. If this video enlightened your fitness journey, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Let's keep building our anatomy safely. Stay tuned for more health tips and tricks. See you in the next video.